Welcome to the review of the Groomist PT303 Platinum Series Trimmer. So this is the box, very nice box, has a magnetic lid, and this is what we get inside. This is a user manual. With an explanation for all the accessories, attachments and combs that you get with the trimmer. As you can see, general description says body trimmer, handle, on off slide, cleaning brush, nose and ear trimmer, mini foil shaver, full metal precision trimmer, stubble combs, beard combs, oil bottle, light indicator and adapter. This is the description that you see over here. They are all numbered so you can refer accordingly. Right. Now this is a warranty card that you get with the box. The customer care number is mentioned at the back of the warranty card. It's 1800-212-6363. You can go to www.groomist.com. That's their website, and you can check it out also. This video is not sponsored. I'm doing this video because I didn't find any other reviews of this particular trimmer on YouTube. So this is just to help you guys out in case you're interested in buying this trimmer. You can have a look at it over here, and this may help you decide whether you want to go ahead with your purchase or not. Now, this is the foil shaver. This is the beard trimmer. This is a protective cap that comes with it. And the trimmer comes with the body trimmer attached to it. This is the 0mm comb for the body trimmer, and this is the body trimmer. Now, in order to change from one attachment to another, all you have to do is pull it a little bit and it comes off. Then you can take whatever attachment you want. Say you want to attach the beard trimmer, attach it like this, remove the protective cap, and you can start using it. It's not too noisy. As you can see, I've just turned it on. It's very quiet operation as compared to other trimmers. Now for the combs. This is the 3mm comb. You can attach it like this. You have to apply a little pressure in order to apply the comb. To install it, sorry. Removing it is easy. It just comes out very easily. This is the 6mm comb, if I'm not mistaken. Oops. This happens sometimes. The attachments come off quite easily, in my opinion, as you can see. Okay, next. Next is the 20mm comb. It comes on like this. There you go. And when you turn this dial, you can see the numbers over here. The numbers are changing, as is the length of the comb. which is attached to the trimmer. This goes up all the way to 20. That's the maximum length. You also get a bottle of oil, or rather half a bottle of oil with this trimmer. Charger. Two mm, 3 mm and 1 mm combs for the beard trimmer. You get a cleaning brush, and this is the nose and ear hair trimmer, which you can attach to the body of the trimmer. Sorry. Now, when you remove this, underneath you will find the charging stand. So you can put your trimmer body over here and it will charge. This is a connector. You can connect this with the charger and plug it into the wall. And if you just place the trimmer over here, like this, it'll start charging. Now these are the different slots for your attachments and combs. So basically that's about it. I hope you like this video. I bought this from Amazon for a price of about 3,100 rupees, and well, that's about it. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try and reply to them. Thank you for watching.